The cow is very hungry. Let's prepare some hay for it. Hay is ready. Let's feed the cow. What a dirty cow! Let's wash it. Well done! The cow is already clean. Let's wash off the soap. Let's take some milk from the cow. Well done. Let's bottle the milk. Wow! So much milk we made! The piglet is sleeping. Let's wake him up. The piglet likes to jump in puddles. What a dirty piglet! Let's wash it. Well done! The piglet is already clean. Let's wash off the soap. The piglet is very hungry. Let's feed it. Hooray! The piglet is happy now. Let's irrigate our patch. Let's frighten the pests. The hives are full of honey. Let's open them. Let's make honey. What a delicious honey! Let's pour it into jars. Let's fold the jars. What a delicious and healthy honey we've got!